In order to use the laser printer to create some of these parts, we need to create a drawing of the parts with a 1-to-1 size ratio, and we want that drawing to have no other extraneous stuff in it except for the part. So let me show you how to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to create a drawing template that is completely blank that we can just put the part into. So the first thing we want to do is go to the plus here, and it says create drawing here. Instead of looking at existing templates, you can see I have a lot of them. I'm going to go to custom template, and I'm just going to take the default values. I'm not going to change anything. So it's going to be in inches, and it's going to be size A, which is about an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And so just take the defaults and press OK. And you're going to get this sort of default version of a drawing. So clear out of these two windows. Come over here to the lower right and grab everything. When you go lower right to upper left, anything that is touched in any way is selected. So if we hit delete now, it should go away. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to now rename this drawing template, or it's a drawing at this point. Let's rename it to, let's see, let's call it A-inch. How about caps? A-inch blank. Enter. Now here's a quirk with Onshape. Maybe it's probably something I just haven't been able to figure out, but this is the best I can do at this point. So in order to use this, we have to export it as a drawing template and then re-import it. Now there's got to be a way to not have to do that, but it's not the end of the world here because typically I want to share my templates anyway, so I have to export them. So I'm going to right click, export. It's got the name of the parts or the drawing, and then I have to change the format to DWT. So drawing template, keep the 2013, that's correct, and just export it. So we're going to have a file a-inch-blank.dwt. So let's export it. It'll take a second. It tells us that here. And there it is. So I'm going to save it to my downloads. And now I can share that with other folks by either putting it in the folder and sharing the folder, sharing the file, or uploading this to a learning management system, which I will do shortly. But in order to use it in this file, for me, having just made this, and again, if anybody knows a better way to do this, let me know. I've found that I have to now import it back in as a drawing template. Only then is it recognized. So I'm going to grab it there, open it, and it's got an upload in progress here, and upload completed. So I can X out of here, and let me go to some arbitrary, I don't know, part here. Let's say I want to do the platform here, so right click, create a drawing of the platform. Now eventually it'll be in my standard list here, but I have to go to created by me the first time, and there it is right at the top. So I can select it, and then it should be completely blank, and I can insert into there the platform, and we would want to have the top view as we've made it. And remember, I have to have 1-to-1 on the scale. So I've got it in there, and there it is. And now if I want to use that in the laser cutter, I have to export this as a PDF. So export, now I would change it to PDF. And this is, again, the drawing I just made, so I would probably call this, platform drawing 1, or platform drawing. Or just platform, because the PDF will tell me it's a drawing for the laser, and I would export that like so. So this video showed you how to create a blank template in Onshape, export it so you can share it, export it so you can re-import it and then use it yourself, and also how to take apart, use that blank template to make a drawing, and then export it as a PDF, that drawing, so that you can use it in the laser. So I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.